Winter wonderland, snowflakes pirouette, laughter echoes, and snowballs fly. But for Lily, the fun melts away with one chilling realization. Her mitten is missed. Max, her ever-optimistic brother, assures her they'll find it. Their detective skills on full alert, they scour the playground, turning swings upside down and peeking under slides. Even Mr. Grumble's grumpy snowman doesn't escape their search, surprisingly doesn't grumble. But the mitten remains elusive. Hope dwindles like snowflakes on a warm cheek. Just then, Max's keen eyes spot a glint in the distance. A mitten tree? Nestled amidst the snow, a miniature bush adorned with lost mittens of every color, a mitten wonderland. Lily's heart leaps, but reaching its no easy feat. Treacherous ice threatens to send her tumbling. Max, the ever-reliable brother, offers his hand, and together they navigate the slippery path, teamwork warming them like a cozy fire. Triumphantly, Lily plucks her lost mitten from its branch. The mystery is solved, but the adventure continues. Around them, children search for their own missing friends. Lily hatches an idea, a mitten matchmaker program? Lost mittens find their way home, accompanied by cheers and happy tears. The mitten mystery becomes a heartwarming mission, reminding everyone that even the smallest things, like missing mittens, can spark big kindnesses. So, the next time a mitten goes missing, don't despair. It might be on its own snowy adventure, waiting to find its way back. And who knows, you might just discover a mitten tree along the way. Like this story and subscribe to our channel